I am from Pawan, sir.
Just hold. Hi, everyone.
Hi.
Hi. So, thank you, Rajiv, sir. Thank you so much. Happy New Year to everyone. I hope everyone is audible. Everyone can hear me. Just give
Yes.
a thumbs up. Oh, someone has. I mean, yeah, great. Why you guys have just turned off your camera? Is there any issue? Yeah, great. Fine, fine, everyone. Yeah. So my name is Rakhi Menon. I'm from India, and I have done my post graduation. And I currently am staying in my native place because of this pandemic, and I'm here to teach you all. I will not say I'll teach you all. I will guide you all just to be confident while we are speaking to someone else. This is just a simple language. You need not have to worry. Okay, so we'll quickly have some self introduction. Is that fine, everyone? So I'll take up the names. Just a moment. Rajesh sir, can you please share this off the screen? Yeah. So we'll start from, I can see from the screen, Shiva. Hi, Shiva.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, hi. So quickly tell me about yourself.
Okay, ma'am. I'm Shiva. I'm from India,
Okay.
in Andhra Pradesh, ma'am.
I can't hear your voice properly.
I'm from India, ma'am.
Okay.
In Andhra Pradesh.
Okay. Okay, great. Okay,
Yeah.
what do you do? You work, you're a student.
I'm a student. I am studying postgraduate.
Okay, great. Okay, fine. Fine. Thank you, Shiva. Next,
Okay,
I
ma'am.
could see Mahendra.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Hi.
Good evening, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening. Yeah, tell me about yourself.
I am Mahendra from India, Karnataka.
Okay. Okay. What
I
you're
am
doing?
studying engineering first year.
Engineering first year. Okay. Good. Good. Great. Okay. Thank you, Mahendra. Suchitra. I could see Suchitra here. Hi, Suchitra.
Hi, good evening, ma'am. Myself
Hi.
Suchitra Pandit.
Okay.
I'm from UAE, Abu Dhabi. I was
Okay.
working, but since
Okay.
3-4 years, I'm at home only as a housewife.
Great.
Thank you.
Great. Thank you. Ismail. Ismail.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Ismail. I'm from Indonesia. Uh, I'm actually an English student, but I'm still beginner, and my
Okay.
speaking actually is so bad, I think. So
That's okay.
that's why I want to join this course.
No
Thank
problem.
you.
No problem. Okay, great. Karthik Joshi.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi. Can you on your
I'm
camera?
man, no, because the background issue.
Okay, fine. Fine. Yeah, tell me about yourself.
I am Karthik Joshi from Mandi Govindgarh, Punjab, India. I am a
Okay.
student of class 10th.
Okay. 10th class. Okay, great. Okay. So your exams are near.
No, ma'am, on from the 4th May.
Okay, fine. Okay. And thank you, Karthik. Next is Pavan. I could see Pavan.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi.
I'm from Pawan from Karnataka.
Okay.
I'm studying engineering, ma'am, in first semester. I
First
have
time.
more problem about English, ma'am, to communicating
No
the
problem. No
students.
problem.
Can
No
you
problem.
can you do perfect?
I know everyone know English well. Only the problem when you speak to someone else, you have some hesitation,
Communicate.
right? Okay, fine. No problem. No
Thank
problem. Yeah. So you all gave your introduction shortly. So we'll now see the how to give your self introduction when someone asks you what are the ways, what are the words you have to use, and how we have to use. I'll share the screen. There are some basic questions. So for that, how you have to answer that your self introductions. Okay, I'll just share the screen. Can everyone see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you are asked by someone else what is your name, or you are asking to someone else what is your name, where are you from, how we have to ask, how we have to present yourself when you're questioning to someone else and when you're answering to someone else. Okay, so when you want to ask someone what is your name, or your name please. Okay, if someone is asking you this question, you should answer, my name is Rakhi, or I am Rakhi, or I am Shiva, I am Mahendra. Okay, you should never introduce yourself as myself. That is a wrong, that is not appropriate one. You should never say myself Rakhi. Okay, so when you are introducing yourself to someone else, you have to say, my name is so and so, my name is Karthik, my name is Suchitra. You got it? You all got it? So it's like, my name is Rakhi. Yeah, I am Rakhi. Where are you from? I am from Mumbai. Yeah, I am from India. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I am from UAE. Okay, how old are you? I am 30 years old, or I am 40 years old. What are you doing? I'm working as an accountant, or I'm working as a teacher. I'm a student. You can use it appropriately. So, when you start your self introduction, you have to say, my name is Rakhi. I am from India or Mumbai. I am 30 years old. I am working as an accountant or a teacher, whatever is your profession, or I am a student. And if you're working in an organization, you have to mention the organization name. And you have to say, I'm a graduate in commerce from Mumbai University. What is your, I don't know about your universities. So if you are using your university, it should be, I'm a graduate, or I'm a BTech engineer, or from so and so university. Uh, are you married or not? You can say accordingly, yes, I am married, or I am single. What is your family like? My family is a joint family and a middle class family. How many members are there in your family? There are 4 members in my family, including me. You have to say, you have to use that correctly. There are 4 members in my family, including me. So if I am asking you who all are there in your family, I have a father, mother, and a brother or a sister. Okay, guys, I hope I'm not going so fast. I will be asking you again these questions. I'll keep the screen open and you can give your introduction according to this. Okay? Because self-introduction is the key. People will judge you as per your self-introduction. Okay?
One
And
more time, can you repeat?
I will repeat. If you want, you guys can take it down. If you want, you can write it down, and I'll make you to speak also. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you have brother or sister? Yes, I have 2 brothers and sister, whichever you can. What does your brother or sister do? She is a teacher. My brother is a teacher, or my sister is a teacher, or my brother is a student. So here is another question. What are your hobbies? Okay, so when you are having only one hobby, that is, my hobby is reading, or my hobby is singing. If you have more than one, it's like, my hobby is reading and listening to the music. If you have 3 hobbies, it's like, my hobbies are reading, listening to the music, and dancing. Okay, when you're using your activity on the last, you should add a and. Okay. And what do you want to become? I want to become a teacher, or I want to become an accountant. I want to become a senior advisor, whatever your positions are. This is the basic thing you have to just keep in your mind while speaking to someone else. Okay.
Okay.
So quickly we will have a self introduction again. You can see the screen and you can tell me about yourself like this. Is it okay? Is it fine, everyone? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we'll start with Suchitra.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hi,
Suchitra.
ma'am. Yeah,
Yeah.
my name is Suchitra Pandit. I am from Mumbai. I am 46-year-old. I was working as an accountant in one of private company in UAE. I am
Okay.
staying still in UAE only. I am
Okay.
a graduate in commerce from Annamalai University. I am
Great.
married. I am in middle class family. I have 4 kids.
Mm-hmm.
There are four. Sorry, I have 2 kids. There are 4 members in my family.
Including me.
Uh, I have mother, yeah, including me and my 2 kids and my hubby. I have mother. I have 2 brothers.
Okay. So I
I
have a
don't have
mother.
sister.
Okay. So you can say you have mother and 2 brothers, right?
Yeah,
So you can say I have mother and 2 brothers, and also you have 2 kids,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
Yeah, you can include that also. Yeah, fine.
yeah. Okay, in one sentence.
Yeah.
Okay.
So do you have a brother? Yeah, yeah, I have 2 brothers. Okay, you have
Yeah,
done with that. So what does
yeah.
your brothers do?
Both of my brothers are working in private sectors.
Okay, great. What are your hobbies,
My
Suchitra?
hobby, yeah. My hobbies are reading,
Mm-hmm.
sports, acting, and dubbing.
Great, great, superb. So what do you want to become now?
I want to become a dubbing artist.
Superb, superb, great.
Is that
So
okay?
yeah, fine. So you understood how to give a self introduction, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, if you want to write down, you can write down. If you guys want to write down or you can remember, that's fine. Yeah, I will be asking this in between to
Okay,
anyone randomly.
Okay, ma'am.
okay,
Okay.
okay. Thank you.
So next would be Pawan. Can you help me with your self introduction?
Okay. I'm from Pawannar. I'm studying in
No. Sorry, Pawan. You have to say
my,
my name is Pawan.
my, my name is Pawan. I am from Karnataka. I'm
Mm-hmm.
studying first year semester graduation.
Mm-hmm.
My family, they are in 4 members. My brother, my mother, and my grandmother. My brother are doing in government job,
My brother is working with government sector.
working with government sector. My hobby is to become playing cricket and enjoying music, listening
Okay,
music.
so my hobbies are, it should be my
To be,
hobbies are
my
playing
hobbies are
cricket
my
and,
hobbies playing cricket, listening songs,
huh?
and
And
mm, to become an IAS officer and
good. Okay, fine. So you want to become an IAS officer, right?
an IAS.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Pawan, you take down this accordingly, right? You just write it down everything. My name is so and so. I am from my age is I'm studying. You please write this down. Okay.
okay.
Okay, fine. Karthik. Oh, new member has joined. Fine. Karthik, can you hear me? I think there is some trouble with Karthik Joshi. That's fine. Mahindra, can you hear
Yes,
me?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Can you give me your self introduction according to this slide?
My name is Mahendra. I am
Mm-hmm.
from Karnataka.
Mm-hmm.
I am 18 years old.
Mm-hmm.
I am studying
Mm-hmm.
BE first semester
Mm-hmm. I'm
graduation.
studying in. I'm studying
I am
in.
studying in BE
Uh,
first semester graduation.
mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I am not married.
Okay, I'm
My son,
single. You can say you
I'm
should not. I'm not saying you should not use not, but you can use it in a positive way. I'm not married. Instead of that, I'm single. Okay,
okay.
I'm single.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
My family is joint family.
Mm-hmm.
I have a grandmother and
How many members
uncle,
are there? How many members are there in your family?
7 members.
Okay, there are 7 members in my family, including me. Okay, you should complete that sentence. There are 7 members in my family, including me.
Okay.
Yeah.
There are 7 members in my family, including me. My
Mhm.
my, my brother, my
I have a
uncle.
brother. I have a
I have a
brother,
brother. I have a
uncle,
brother and
uncle.
uncle, auntie, and 2 sisters,
Mm-hmm.
and a
Okay.
grandmother,
Okay.
and my father.
Okay. So don't use and in between everything. And should be
Okay.
used only with if you're saying I have uncle, auntie, grandmother, 2 sisters, and my father or and my mother like that. Okay.
Okay.
You should use
Yes, ma'am.
and the last one. It should be in
Okay.
end, not in between every word. See, so you can
Okay.
see here, I have a father, comma, mother, and a brother or a sister,
Okay.
like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? So you should
Yes,
not
ma'am.
use and repeatedly.
Okay.
Yeah. So, do you have a brother, sister? Yeah, you said you have. Okay. What do your sisters do?
They are studying in third standard, and
Okay.
one is still smaller one.
Okay. Fine. Fine. Okay. What are your hobbies?
I want to become a software engineer.
Okay. Hobbies. Not you want to become. What are your hobbies?
Hobbies
What
is
is it?
playing cricket and
Okay.
playing badminton.
Okay, so you have 2 hobbies. So you should use are. My hobbies are playing badminton and playing cricket.
Okay.
Got it? Got
Yes,
it?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you want to become a software engineer.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Mahinder. Next, Ismail. Ismail. Yeah. Hi, Ismail.
Hi, mom.
Yeah.
My name is Ahmad Ismail. I'm from Indonesia.
Mm-hmm.
I'm 19 years old.
Mm-hmm.
I'm still a student and I'm studying at university.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Okay.
I'm single and my
Mm-hmm.
family is a joint family.
Mm-hmm.
There are 5 members in my family, including me.
Mm-hmm.
I have father, mother, and 2 sisters.
Great. Okay.
Yes, I have 2 sisters.
Okay.
And my 2 sisters are housewives,
Okay.
and my
What?
hobby is listen. My hobby is listening to music,
Okay.
and I want to become a lecturer in the future.
Good. Great. Did I miss someone? There are two new joinees. Mia Kumar. I'm sorry if I'm spelling wrong. And I can't see more. 1 minute. Who all have joined? Can you please unmute yourself and let me know? I could see only Amaya.
Yes, ma'am. I'm joined. Amya Kumar, I joined.
Yeah, tell me, Amaya, about yourself.
My name is
So,
Amya Kumar.
sorry to interrupt. I was just teaching everyone how to give their self-introduction. When someone asks you to tell me about yourself, we will just give a
Okay.
short thing like, my name is this, this. We give just short. So
I
I have
understand.
developed one. Just a second. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. So you have to give your self-introduction properly. Okay, so these
Okay.
are some questions and these are some answers here. If someone asks you about this, you have to answer in this way. So
Oh,
where are you from? Amaya, where are you from?
I'm from Odisha.
Odisha, India. Great.
I'm from Odisha and I'm 20-year-old.
Okay, so when you give, it's like, my name is Amaya Kumar. I am from Odisha. I am, what is your age?
21 years. 21
Yeah,
years old.
21 years old. Are you a student or working?
Yes, I'm a student.
Okay, so I'm a student. I'm studying so and so course or
I'm a
commerce.
graduate in physics from Berhampur University, Odisha.
Great. So I'm single.
Yes, I'm
Uh,
single.
yeah.
My
So you
family
you
is a
can
middle
tell
class
me.
family.
Okay, you can tell me everything like this in this format.
Okay, I can try. My family is a middle class family. There are 5
Mm-hmm.
members in my family, including me. I
Mm-hmm.
have a father, mother, and 2 brothers.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Wait. Let's go to next page. Yeah. What does your
my
brothers do?
my brothers are still studying
Okay.
in 4th standard.
Okay.
My father is working.
Mm,
My father is a businessman.
fine.
My hobby is
What are
my
your
hobby is
hobbies?
my hobby is art, drawing.
Okay. Your hobby is drawing.
Hmm.
Okay. What do you
And
want to become? Achha,
I want to become a
you have two
na-
hobbies?
n- no. I have only one hobby, which
Okay.
is my favorite one.
Okay. So
I
what
want
do
to
you want
become
to become?
I want to become a bank employee.
Bank employer. Okay. Any specific private sector, government sector?
Government sector,
Great.
SBI.
Okay. Best wishes. Fine.
Thank
So,
you, ma'am.
um, so I hope everyone have understood about the self-introduction part, how to introduce yourself and
Yes, ma'am.
everything. Yeah.
Yes.
So, yeah. Mm, just I'll stop the sharing. Now we will just learn some words, 2 words. Mm, just a moment, guys. Yeah. Every day we will learn 2 verbs. Okay. Today we will learn 2 verbs.
Okay.
Can everyone can see my screen, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So here is 2 verbs: accept and accuse. Okay. So
Okay.
present particles means it's a normal. Now what is happening? That's a present. So we will say accept. What is the meaning of accept? Can someone read for me?
Receive or undertake.
Hmm. Consent to receive
Consent
or
to receive or undertake.
undertake. Yeah, I mean you have to undertake the situation, like we have to accept that we have to sit at home now because of this pandemic. We have to accept that, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so when we use this word accept, how to use in the present, past? Okay, so accept, accepted, accepted. Present particles, present tense, past participles. Okay,
Okay.
accept, accepted, accepted. Okay, understood everyone? This is a basic thing. I know that everyone knows this. I'm just refreshing your memories. Okay.
Okay.
So, and the next one is accused, accused, accused. We accuse, like if someone does a murder, so we say that he's the accused one. He's does the offense. He has done the mistake. Okay. So
Okay.
that is accused. So accuse, accused, accused. This is the present participle, past tense, and past participle. This is how this word is pronounced. Accuse, accused, accused. For example, here is an example. Tom accused me of lying. Okay. So Tom is blaming me, saying that I have lied it. Okay, he had charged me. Tom accused me of lying. Okay.
Okay.
Ismail, can you create a word, or can you create a word with this word accuse? Can you create a sentence?
The police accused the thief.
Okay. Okay, fine. Great. Suchitra? Suchitra?
Just a minute, man.
can-
I'm just writing down the same.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Mahindra?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Create a word with accept. You can see, I accept your apology. Create a sentence using
Yes, ma'am.
word accept.
If I made any wrong works, I accept it when my father says.
Okay, so you have to say, I accept my mistake. You have to
Okay.
say, I accept my mistake.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is Pavan.
Tell me.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Use accused and make a sentence. Accused.
My friend is accused to irritating me. My friend is accused on irritating me.
So, is accused will not come together. Is used in a present tense. Accused is a past tense word. So,
Oh.
is accused will not come together.
My friend accused
Accused.
on irritating me.
Okay, great. Ameya,
Ameya Kumar.
sorry, Ameya Kumar.
Yes.
Can you create a sentence with accept or accepted?
I accepted a gift from my father last night.
I accepted a gift from my father last night. Okay, fine, great, going. Fine. Okay. I think we are done with some self-introductions and work. We will have some reading session. Okay. I have some list of work. Can anyone have their own articles that you can read now for me? Anybody, any book, any article, anything you have in your hand right now?
Okay, I'll share my screen.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I'll give you this one.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, no problem. I have one app.
This is the good website where we can see lot of articles are there, different articles.
Okay, sir.
I think can you see the screen? No.
No, I
No.
Okay.
No.
I'll share. Now now you can see the screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. This is one of our website. Actually, this is also our website where number of articles are available based on the interest of whatever you have the interest. That is just for the like a exploring speech making. That is one of the article is written by the one of the college time. This just I'll open this one. I think if you one by one the person can read, and maybe in the later stage also you can use this website. This is also our website.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. So who will start? I want someone to start this reading session. Everyone should just concentrate on what the person are telling. I can randomly take anyone's name and make them read. Okay. So we'll start with Mahindra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can see the screen which sir has shared. Sir has shared.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Mahindra. Can someone mute? Someone has not mute themselves. Yeah, Mahindra, please go on. Ameya Kumar, can you please mute yourself?
Okay.
Yeah, Mahindra, go on. Is he available? Oh, no. Okay, Pawan, can you start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, start.
Hello.
Can I start?
Yeah, you start.
Public speaking is an art where the author is an artist. He words being his color palette and the crowd
Palette.
being the
It's a palette. Yeah.
palette and the crowd being the canvas on which as paints on. Public
Which he
speaking is on
paints. Which he paints
paints.
on.
Paint. Public speaking is any presentation giving before a living
Given before, not
given
giving.
before a live
Live
advance
audience. Live
live
audience.
audience with aim of
With the aim of
educating and entertaining and influencing your listeners. We all
full stop.
know the
Pavan. When you have a full stop, you should stop there. It's
Okay.
like I will help you. Public speaking is any presentation given before a live audience with the aim of educating, entertaining, and influencing your listeners. Full stop. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. Continue.
We all know people who light up the room with their confidence and exuberance and
Right.
become the talk of the town wherever they give any presentation
Whenever. It's not wherever.
whenever they gave any presentation or
Anchor
for any event.
Anchor. Yeah.
Anchor for any event.
Stop. Ismail, continue. Pawan, stop. Ismail, continue.
Okay. These people share a common trait of common trait of being great orators who leave their mark wherever they go, and the words they speak resonate for the eons to come. In the time where this world grapples through this pandemic, a quote made by Martin Luther King Jr.
Junior.
in
It's
his
junior.
famous
JR means it's
King
a junior.
Jr.
Yeah.
King Jr. in his famous last speech, "I have a dream," seems to be in lieu with what mankind should look up to, as he rightly puts. We must accept finite disappointment, but never lose infinite hope. The art of public speaking is useful to people from all walks of life, but is of paramount importance to a college student.
Yeah. Stop.
To put it in simple.
No. Stop it. Okay. Now next, Suchitra. Can you continue?
Yeah. To put it in simple words, a student is a brand.
Suchitra,
Sorry?
Simpler words.
Simpler. Yeah. To put it in simpler words, a student is a brand who holds immense potential but does not have the right recognition, and public speaking is one skill that makes it possible to market yourself and compete with the outer world. And oration is one of the best ways to get your message heard in a world where no one pays heed to the conventional. People respect orators, and it is because the fact that speaking before a crowd is a demonstration of your knowledge and expertise, and college is a great forum to explore such avenues. Our public speaking is a great teacher in itself, as the research and study that goes behind making his speech is indeed an enriching experience. And the fact that you have to work out how to communicate to others effectively makes you understand your content better and opens a plethora of avenues because it nurtures various intrapersonal skills such as communication abilities, language skills, confidence, and the ability to read and understand people. So,
Okay.
as a student,
Suchitra, Okay, hold.
Yeah. Okay.
It's enriching. Okay, I'll just let you know the pronunciation part.
Okay.
Enriching.
Yeah. Sure.
I have just okay. Enriching is there. I wanted to tell you. Nurture.
Yeah.
R is bit silent. Nurtures.
Okay. Nurture.
Nurtures. Yeah.
Okay.
Previous
Okay.
intrapersonal skill. Intrapersonal skill.
Yeah.
Intra. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Intrapersonal skill.
Skill. Yeah. So
Shall I
next,
continue?
no. Let next person continue.
Okay.
Ameya
Sure.
Kumar, please continue.
So, Ajay, so as a student, where you find it hard to make a panchayat for yourself, the skill of being effective in
Penchant.
communication,
It's penchant for yourself.
penchant,
Yeah.
penchant for yourself,
Hmm.
the skill of being effective in communication, having
Mhm.
the confidence and knowledge does give you a lot of credibilities,
Credibilities.
credibilities.
Yeah.
Students in college who develop a knack for public speaking reap the fruits of skills as it helps in group discussions, personal interviews,
Discussions.
and
Group
discussions,
discussions. Discussions.
discussions,
Yeah.
discussions,
Hmm.
personal interviews, and allows them to make a difference in their life, career,
Hmm.
and the community
Career.
they live in as
Career. It's not
career,
carrier, it's
career,
career. Yeah.
career, life, career, and the community they live in, as every speaking opportunity is an opportunity to grow in leadership and effective communication. Moreover, it gives
Use
one to gives
create
one to create a
positive
positive change in people's
life. Lives.
lives.
Hmm.
lives.
Hmm.
Thereby, public speaking is one evergreen trick that should always be up a college student's sleeve, as this is what differentiates you from
Differentiate.
the workforce
Hmm.
and helps vouch for
Mhm.
support for your ideas and build strong self-worth and self-esteem.
Okay.
Shall I continue?
Okay. No, wait. Did I miss someone? Mahindra. You slept. You continue.
Yes,
You were
yes, ma'am.
left. Yeah, you continue.
Glossophobia or speech anxiety is fear of public
Is
speaking.
the fear. Is the fear. Ameya, can you
Is
please
the
mute yourself?
is the fear of public speaking. Unlike other phobias that may not directly affect your professional life, speech and anxiety can be downright career defining.
Career.
So,
Career.
career,
No carrier. It's
career,
career.
career defining. So, instead of living your
Artery.
oratory
Success.
success to chance, what you need to do is take swift and promote action.
Prompt
College
action. Prompt
prompt
action.
action. College life is
Huh.
sabbatical
Hmm.
where you can explore yourself and build your brand value, and dreading public speaking is
Hmm.
going to take you
You
nowhere
now here. Huh? No?
now here.
Yeah. Nowhere.
So
Sorry. Nowhere. Nowhere. Sorry. I didn't see properly. Nowhere. Yeah.
nowhere.
Okay.
So getting
Karthik. No, Mahindra. It's okay. Thank you. Karthik, can you continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So getting started with introspection is the key to understanding the skills that you lack on and the areas that you are poor. The success rate of becoming a good public speaker is in proportion to the confidence you have. Working on soft skills like communication abilities, language skills, cognitive or emotional empathy will pave the way to reach your goal. And as far as mastering any skill is concerned, taking professional help will be fruitful.
Truthful. Great. Fine. Oh, sir, do I need to continue with the reading session?
Is enough for
Yeah.
this reading.
Yeah.
I'll stop this my share.
Yeah. Fine. No problem. So I hope everyone has understood the, say self introduction part, how to introduce yourself to someone when it comes to this chapter like self introduction. So hope you all understood what are the key points that you have to keep in your mind while speaking. Okay, so I understand we all do this. That is fine. Even I do that. I'm not an expert. Even I do that. But it should not in a continue manner. Like in every sentence or every word we say, that will lack your confidence. That will not. That will drag you back. If you are going to an interview, if you say, "My name is so and so," that gives you a negative impact. So be confident when you give your self introduction. Always have an eye contact. Whenever you speak, you have to give an eye contact. If you look down, if you look up, do like this, that's all give you a negative impact. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yeah, great. From next class, we'll continue with the basics, basic do's and don'ts, what all we have to use. I'll give a rough idea. I have already shared the PP 1 minute. Screen. Yeah, so we will, yeah, 1 minute, I have to adjust the screen. Yeah, so this is a basic verb. Do means we are using it in a normal day-to-day life. Do is a normal verb where go, play, write, read, come, study. We are not using is, play, is, go. No, we'll use basic. No, not even past tense like played, wrote, read, come, came. That we are not using. We are using the basic verb for now. Okay, so in this play, write, read, come, study, go, this is a basic verb we use in our day-to-day life. Okay, for example, you can see the next slide where we use this verb like I get up at 5 o'clock, I do my morning courses, I brush my teeth, I clean my tongue. There is no past tense, there is no past participles, nothing, only basic. Okay, I wash my face, I have a cup of tea, I take ablution, I do meditation, I read books, I go for a walk, I come back my home, I practice yoga. Okay, so I'll give you a small, what to say, not homework, just a practice session. Create your own verb and write like this in your what you do in your day-to-day life. Understood? This is what I do. So I want you people to write it down. What all you do? Normal verb. No, I don't want any is, was, did. Only basic. I do homework. I do cooking. I do whatever. I walk. I go for a walk. I dance. Like that. Basic. Only 10 sentences. I need only 10 sentences. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Yeah. And I will not ask in the online class. You just write it down and click a photo and you can share in the group. Is that okay, sir?
Okay.
Raju, sir? Hello?
Yeah, it's okay. It's
Yeah.
better.
Yeah. So you can share that on our group. We have a group, right? So you can share there. Okay. Only 10 sentences, not more than that.
Okay.
Yeah. If you guys want to read, you can take a look. Okay. I get up at 5 o'clock. I do my morning courses. I brush my teeth. I clean my tongue. I rinse my mouth. I wash my face. I have a cup of tea or coffee. I take ablution. I do meditation. I read books. Sorry.
Might take ablution means what, ma'am?
We just get freshed up, face wash. Before going to pray, we just wash our face.
Okay.
Yeah, I do meditation, I read books, I go for a walk, I come back home, I practice yoga, I take bath, I have my breakfast. There are many things. And one more thing, here Here, I pray to God. We say I pray God. No, I pray to God. We use that when we use normally talk to our friends. I pray God. No, I pray to God. That is the correct way to speak. Okay.